दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे शो में द वेंकटेश शो। जो एक्चुअल लर्निंग होती है आपकी, वो वही इनिशियल स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड में होती है। अगेन आई अप्रिशिएट द सीनियर लीडर्स लाइक यू because now it's very easy to work, like you have Ola, Uber, everything on internet, mobile app.
Yes.
Even to contact customer, to schedule any meeting, we have Zoom call etc. But back then you didn't have internet, आपके पास कोई ओला उबर नहीं थी, सब कुछ अनप्रेडिक्टेबल था। उस ज़माने में भी काम करना और एंड सक्सेस अचीव करना was big thing. Because of that I actually respect, admire a senior leader like you, which was इतने challenges हो के भी उन्होंने कभी give up नहीं किया, और एक kind of role model बनाया है next generation के लिए।
Actually, I started with Astra Ideal. That time the salary used to be somewhere like 750-800 rupees. And some 15-20 rupees as a daily allowance. My next jump was an MNC called Glaxo.
Okay.
So I worked for, I was selected this thing. So my salary also almost tripled. And I worked in Pune. I was covering 4-5 districts.
Okay.
So into sales. So it was a kind of, that time, a specialty division.
Okay.
Promoting just one single product.
Correct.
So I was covering Pune, I was covering Sholapur, I was covering Satara, Karad,
Okay.
Nagar, Latur.
Okay.
So I used to go to Latur, and the last call used to happen somewhere around 8:30, 8:45. And there was one, I think, Vivekanand Hospital in Latur.
Okay.
And there was a top gastroenterologist whom I used to meet.
Okay.
So I used to come from Pune to go to Latur.
Okay.
So after I used to finish, still he used to have patience. But I used to request him that you finish with me earlier so that I can catch the 9 o'clock bus.
And can go back to Pune.
So we used to travel by ST bus.
Right.
Catch a 9 o'clock bus. It used to leave from Latur at 9 and reach Pune by 6:30 in the morning.
Yes. Main learning happens in rural market or in urban market?
Both. So it is both. So it is a mix of both.
Yeah, but you need both learning to have a perfect kind of understanding.
See, the science earlier used to be very strong.
Okay.
Nowadays, I think it is a little bit lacking.
Correct.
Everything is digital. Everything is psycho-signed.
Correct.
And everything is offered on a platter to you.
साइंटिफिक सेलिंग उस जमाने में होती थी,
उस जमाने में अच्छी होती थी, और उस जमाने में एथिक्स नाम की चीज थी।
करेक्ट।
अभी डॉक्टर्स का एक ह्यूमन टच जो मेडिकल रेप्स के साथ है, वो काफी कम है।
करेक्ट।
एवरीथिंग इज कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी ओरिएंटेड।
करेक्ट। उसका सर रीजन ये भी हो सकता है कि there are so many companies are in the market. Yes. There are so many executives are in the market, and there is nothing new to discuss, let's say. So if you see the doctor's point of view, doctor will also think, okay, I know the molecules, okay, what is new, so why should I give, let's say, 30 minutes, or why should I discuss with him the molecule which I have studied back then in my college. So that could be one aspect.
See, your point is well taken, but it is how you're going to present yourself in front of the customers. So, I'll say that selling also requires kind of, you are acting and acting in a way that you make the customer feel very involved in the discussion. तो बहुत बार क्या होता है कि हम लोग डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट पे आते हैं। उस समय इस तरह सिखाया गया था कि आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उसका एप्लीकेशन, मतलब जो डिजीज इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, जैसे दिस प्रोडक्ट फॉर एग्जांपल इज फॉर से respiratory tract infection. So you discuss more on the etiology of lung and disease and what kind of patients are presenting to you, and then you apply your product there. So then it becomes then the ownership is there from both the sides.
Okay.
From the doctor side as well as from the medical reps side.
Correct.
So which is nowadays मतलब अभी इस हद तक नहीं होता है.
ओके.
सो उसमें ज्यादातर होता है कि व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर मी, तो फिर कमर्शियल एंगल ज्यादा होता है और जो साइंटिफिक ओरिएंटेशन है वो काफी कम होता है.
करेक्ट.